Well, hey, and welcome to Jim's Kitchen. Is your pantry overflowing with different things that need to be used? Well, then this video is for you. It's part of a collaboration titled Shelftember that's hosted by my pal, Mama Friendly. And it's all about trying to use up those things that are sitting in your pantry. Well, I'm going to teach you 3 extremely simple recipes to get rid of some of those items. Come join me. We'll start with an extremely simple vegetable curry that uses 4 cans. Let's do it. A can of rinsed and drained garbanzo beans, aka chickpeas. A can of diced tomatoes. I'm using these ones with onions, celery, and green peppers. A can of mixed veggies. I'm using the no salt added ones. They were drained. And a can of coconut milk. I'm using the light coconut milk. I'm adding some curry powder, and then I'm going to mix it and allow it to simmer. Basically, I brought it to a boil and then I let it simmer for 10 minutes. Serve over some rice. Let's try this canned good vegetable curry. So simple. It couldn't be any easier than dumping 4 cans. And it tastes pretty wonderful. Time for another meal involving just canned goods. It sounds very unique and a bit questionable. It's tuna pasta salad. I'll show you what 5 cans are involved. Bowl, a drained can of peas, a drained can of sweet corn, a drained can of mixed vegetables, a drained can of tuna. And the questionable ingredient is this can of pasta. I'm using beefaroni. It had a lot of liquid on the top that I drained off. Dump it in and give it a good mix. You could add seasonings if you'd like. Black pepper, maybe a little herb. You should chill it until ready to serve. It definitely has an unpleasant look. Kind of like upchuck. But how does it taste? It's not horrible. It doesn't taste like upchuck. It's just kind of plain. But I'll eat it. Let the good times roll. It's time to make a dessert. This one is a 3-ingredient dessert that contains 2 items from the pantry and 1 item that you find in your freezer pretty regularly. Let's make it, because we're making a peachy treat. Grab a fruity bowl. We need a can of peach chunks, undrained. The second ingredient is a box of Jell-O vanilla instant pudding. And the last ingredient is whipped topping. I know you have that in your freezer. Thaw out about a cup of it and put it in. Combine that all together and make sure that pudding mix is all dissolved. And now you need to refrigerate it for at least an hour until ready to serve. It did set a bit too. It's such a refreshing dessert. It's like the peach juice got into that vanilla pudding. And it's very peach all around, and it's really tasty. This is a simple treat. I'm happy I have loaded my pantry. Thank you, Mama Friendly, for hosting this awesome collaboration. To see more fun foods made out of that pantry stuff, check out the playlist in my description. Happy Shelftember! What type of tree has the widest variety of fruit? A pantry.